Hello, so welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's start with the solution. So make sure you enjoy watching it up to the end. So on our solution, we now have 4 to the power of k minus 3 should give us 40. So wondering on how to solve this maths problem. So we cannot find the whole number. That is we cannot find the base of 40. So in other words, what we shall now do, we shall now introduce the log from both sides of the equation. So in this case now, we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of k minus 3 is also equals to the log of 40. So the log simply means that we've now introduced the logarithms from both sides. So we all know that suppose we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be expressed as m, the log of p. So let's express the log of 4 to the power of k minus 3 into the form of m log 3. So we shall now end up with k minus 3, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40. So we want to remain with k minus 3 on this other end. So we shall now divide the log of 4 by both sides of the equation. So we shall now pick all over the log of 4, then also this side all over the log of 4. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 cancel. So now we shall remain with k minus 3 is equals to the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So the log of 40, you can simply express it in our simplest term, or we can simplify it by having k minus 3 is equals to the log of 40 shall have the log of 4 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 4. So the log of 4 multiplied by 10 is the same as when you pick the log of AB. This one can be expressed as the log of A plus the log of B. So let's express the log of 4 multiplied by 10 into this form here, the log of A plus the log of B. So now our k minus 3 in this case, so k minus 3 shall now be equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So now our next step, this one is what now we shall do. So we shall now split the equation by now having k minus 3 is equals to, so the log of 4, so this 4 we shall divide by the log of 4 and also the log of 10. So the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So when we simplify this part, now we shall now have k minus 3 is equals to, this one now shall be 1 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So still you can also simplify the log of 10 by now having k minus 3 is equals to our 1 plus the log of 10 can also be expressed as 10, that is 5 multiplied by 2. Yeah, 5 multiplied by 2. So now we shall now have the log of 2 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 4. So in that case, k minus 3 now is equals to, so k minus 3 is equals to 1 plus, so here now plus the log of 2 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4. So let's now work it out by now splitting it. So now k minus 3 is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 all over, so let's now use all this, the log of 4, to divide with both sides. So the log of 4 can also be expressed as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then also plus the log of 5 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. Simply because 2 multiplied by 2, the result is 4. So we proceed by now saying that our k minus 3 is equals to, so here now we shall have 1 plus the log of 2 all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be expressed as 2 log 2. So 2 log 2, then also plus the log of 5 all over 2 log 2. So in this case, so k minus 3, so k minus 3 is equals to, so here we shall have 1 plus, so this one is the log of 2 cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus a half, then plus again the log of 5, so this one is a half, so a half the log of 5 all over the log of 2 all over the log of 2. So at this stage we are just about to complete it, so we shall now work it out by now saying that 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, so k minus 3 is equals to, so this is 3 out of 2, then plus a half the log of 5 all over the log of 2. So let's note that suppose we have the log of A all over the log of B, this one can also be written as the log of A to the base of B. So here now we shall now have k minus 3 is equals to 3 over 2 plus a half now, so the log of 5 to the base of 2. So finally we need to remove this this negative 3 on this other side so that we remain with k alone. So now our value for k shall be equals to 3 over 2 plus a half, then the log of 5 to the base of 2, then minus 3 now shall be plus 3, and this one now shall now qualify to be our value for k. So this one shall be our value for k. So from here now we can confirm our equation and check if it is correct. So the question that we had 4 to the power of k minus 3 is equals to 40. So where this k we equate it with the rest of the value. So now we shall now have 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 plus 3, so don't forget this minus 3 is equals to 40. Now so we proceed. So 3 minus 3 now cancels, so our new one shall now be 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus, here now shall have a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 40, because 3 minus 3 is 0. So in other words, now we shall now say that 4 can also be written as 2 to the power of 2, then the bracket to the power of 3 over 2, then again plus, so 2 again to the power of 2, then we shall now have a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 40. So we can now work it out very fast here by now saying that 2 and 2 shall now cancel, so now we shall have 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 again is 8. So now we shall have now 8. So the addition sign shall now change to the multiplication sign. So here 2 and 2 shall cancel, so the log to the base of 2 shall now cancel this 2. Now we shall remain with 5 is equals to 40. So 8 times 5, that means that 40 is equals to 40. So meaning that we are very much correct. So we are in that case now we can now conclude by saying that we are very correct when we finally say that the value for k, so k is equals to 3 over 2 plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 2 plus 3. So if you really loved how we've solved this maths problem, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So otherwise, let's stop there and see you in our next video.